Lori and I are both very excited for this video. We just finished getting all the purlins up on both sides, and now we can start putting steel up. Knowing Lori's color palette, anybody have a guess what this is? So we have the shorter sheets on top, which are for the short side, of course. And then we have these long sheets on the bottom. So I got to move all these because we're going to start with the long sheets. Okay, so I learned from last time from doing the house that to make it a lot easier to put the screws in and to make sure I've got straight lines, I'm going to pre-drill holes in this. So we have it figured out so all the purlins line up at 27 inches, but the bottom one is a little shy. So the first space is going to be 26 inches, the rest will be 27. I don't think it'll be that noticeable. And we have to start 2 inches from the bottom. Well, that worked. Hey, I made it through, alright?
Oh my gosh.
Get another bit.
What the heck?
First hole.
We're off to a great start. This is the only thing I helped with on our house.
Putting screws in?
No, I marked the panels before they got put up so they were in the right, whatever the spacing was. So we need 28 plus 27 now?
Yep.
back here, probably.
Yeah. Okay.
Walk forward.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That actually wasn't too bad.
Good.
I did not switch the drill battery.
I did.
Okay. Might need to
I assume you can't push any further?
well, I'm gonna have to push a little bit, move the ladder closer, get on the ladder again.
I can almost reach. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have that?
Yeah.
So I can move. Okay, I need to move the ladder closer then. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Okay, I need to move it a little bit closer. Alright, we're going not flush. Right? It's gonna be flush on this outside.
Yeah. Then you'll have a 1-inch overhang.
It's gotta go up your way.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, I'm trying to figure out the best way to stand up here.
That's fine.
Alright, I got one screw in. Now we can adjust it however we think.
Which one did you put in?
Very top corner.
Okay. Let me just step back and look at it quick. Just see what I think from back here.
So you're saying this side should lift up yet,
Yeah.
but not much.
No.
Okay, that's where it is then.
Okay. I like it.
Once we do we'll just do the top row on.
Well, I was just gonna say, are you putting all of them in?
I did,
Or-
but maybe I'll just do the first and the last on them.
No, if we're doing the top, you might as well get all the top in there.
Yeah, but if I just do 2 on them, we can do a few, and then if we need, it's only 2 screws to pull up and adjust a little. How we need to do it, if we need.
Okay. So
Then
you
I
want
can
to?
come back through and just.
Do you want to keep putting them up then?
Yep, I think so.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
I'm almost there.
Man, it's getting dark in here.
You have to add some lights. You want to put in a skylight?
No.
Is that ladder in the way then?
Yeah. But okay. Okay.
This way, right?
Yep.
Hold on. Let me help.
I got it. You can lower it to the roof there.
Okay. Can you reach across and try to push down on your ridge just to make sure that is lined up good?
I did that before with the screw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, looks right.
Looks good to me.
Good. so easy.
Yeah, it's plastic instead of metal. If that was hard, it'd be concerning.
I don't think I'll break any bits this time.
And this stuff's gonna be so easy compared to the metal.
Yeah. Man, those are 10 too.
Huh?
This thing's so long still. So you can give that to me so easily.
Well, I was able to not have to hold it in the center of the metal.
Oh yeah, I suppose. There.
Go down a smidge.
Oof.
I'd say probably there. I don't necessarily want to slide it. Well, I guess it might not matter. It's Where is that? An hour and 55 minutes right now.
It's pretty
I'm
long.
just kind of. Do you have to do those ones as frequently?
I don't know. Probably doing just the same.
Yeah, it'll be like 8 inches maybe. I mean, I can do that. Wait, here. What if I do that for you to get that first one on? Would that help?
I want to make sure it's flat.
We still have one more panel.
Oh, I thought you said this was the last one.
I thought it was, but I forgot that top one I just moved inside.
Why?
So I wanted to get the clean one.
Well, we had some stuff pop up for us this week, so we weren't able to get as far as we hoped on this, but we do have all the sheets up and covered. We just don't have that ridge cap up, and I have a lot of screws to put in yet.
I think that's where we're going to call it for this video and move on for next week.